Shakez, sauce. Bad guy, sauce. Real G, sure. Sabi boy, of course.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please, you are welcome. Do subscribe for more videos from me. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate your support. I really do. Thanks a lot for always watching and for liking and leaving comments. I appreciate that. So today I come to you with a video about 5 different types of Nigerian men. When I say Nigerian men, I'm talking about Igbo, to be precise, because I'm Igbo and I have dealings with Igbo men. I've seen some from people's experiences, so I will talk about them. Number 1, we have the Igbotic men. When I say Igbotic, I mean those traditional, like those core ones that really believe on certain things that were in the past. Things that we used to believe in the past, they still believe on it. Things are changing, new trends are coming in, life is moving forward. They do not want to move forward. They just want to stick to what they know. These ones are the ones that will come to you when you're on a date or when you see them. They want to let you know that they are rich. They want to talk about their wealth because they believe that that is their manliness. They'll be like, on the phone sometimes, they'll be like, yes, my container is entering, my container on the way. Yes, it's on the way. I put 50 million naira in that thing. Yes. And let me know how it is. I'll update you. My containers, all of them. Yes. Okay. They're the ones. They'll come up to you. They'll make sure. My hair. They'll make sure that you know that they go abroad. They come in. They go to Dubai. They go to China for business. They're the ones. These guys are annoying. Then we have number 2. The guys with Western mentality. These are probably the ones that, you know, that are born into rich families. They go abroad like UK, USA, Canada, different places to study or to live or to work, and they come back to Nigeria. They are the ones that have, some don't come back to Nigeria, they might be different places, but they basically are up with the trends. They know things are happening. They are open-minded. They are the people that you can talk with, discuss things with, because they are on the same path with you. They understand what you're talking about. So no matter what their culture is about, they know their culture, they respect their culture, but at the same time, they are open-minded. That's what I mean by Western culture, because the Western culture for me is a culture that allows people to embrace other cultures, and they are open-minded about people that they meet and about things that are happening in the world. So these are the guys that I like to discuss with, because I like challenging myself mentally. So when I see you, I like to talk and discuss certain topics. These are the people that I call the Western mentality guys. We have the Christian, Mr. Nice Guy. Disclaimer, I know some Christians are not nice. That's just who they are, but they try to be nice because they embrace God. They try to do the right thing. So I'm talking about the ones that are very nice, deeply, definitely, genuinely nice. The Christians. These are the ones that will make sure that you do the right thing. They will talk to you about God. Every topic, they will put God in it. You tell them, oh, I have a headache. They tell you it is well. You are healed. God has healed you. Don't worry. By his stripes, you are healed. He died on the cross of Calvary. He died on the cross of Calvary for you so that you'll be whole. Sin has no place in you. Headache has no place in you. Get out, headache, and leave her body in Jesus' name. They're the ones. You'll be wondering, can't you talk? Don't you have, I don't know, can't you talk generally? Why must you talk to me with scriptures? Why must you not talk like a human being? Why must you? You're not Jesus. You're not God. You're trying to be perfect like him. I get it. But when it comes to social events, when it comes to real life situations, talk to me like a person. That's what I want. I want to understand you, be on the same level with you. Know what you're thinking. Not what God is thinking. If I want to know what God is thinking, because I do. I read my Bible. I know God's mind. That's it. So, talk normal. But on a different level, these people are nice. They treat you nice. They make sure that you're happy. They make sure that they do nothing bad that will upset you, because they are trying to be good people, right? So these are nice people. If you want to know them more, then know them more, because they'll make sure that you don't sin, you don't push them into having sex or stealing or lying or smoking or whatever that they call sin. They make sure that you don't do it too. It might get too much if you're not into all that, or you might like it if you're into that. Number 4, the fun ones. These are the guys that everything about them is fun. They just want to have fun. That's it. So when they meet you, they just want to have fun. Are you ready for fun? If you are, gosh, what's with my hair, man? If you're ready for fun, these people are. They just want to go out, go clubbing, go partying, go drinking. They'll take you out to drink. If you want to smoke, you can smoke. If you want to drink, you can drink. 10 bottles, 50 bottles, 15, 20. They don't mind. They've got the money. They just want your company. You have fun. Sex. You have fun. Drugs. Whatever that you do. I don't know. You have fun. After fun, they leave you. Because they be like, me, date that girl or marry that kind of girl. She's not wife material. No, I cannot. That one, I've used her. We've all used her. There's no need to go with her. She's just there for fun. Then after fun, you leave her and go for who you want. The real women. Yeah. So for all you slay mamans out there having fun, have this at the back of your mind. These guys, that's all they care about. They'll leave you after fun. Some will marry you, but that barely happens. Last ones I'll talk about are the real ones. I call them the real ones because they end up taking you to the altar. They end up marrying you. These are the ones that care about you. When they meet you, they genuinely have interest in you. They want to know about your fears, your plans in life, where you see yourself in the next 5 years. They want to know the things you want to do so that they can support you. They'll tell you that you have what it takes. You can make it. They care about your well-being. If you have issues, they'll help you sort it out. They don't give you things. They teach you how to get things because they know that you have what it takes. These are the ones that care about everything. Like, they can talk to you. They can get angry. They can tell you they're angry. You guys can talk about it or whatever. They are just the ones that you think, oh, these people are perfect. Of course, no one is perfect, but these are the ones that you want to meet. These are the ones you want to spend time with because you learn a lot. Even if you break up with them, you learn a lot. They learn a lot and life goes on. Even if you end up with them, amazing, because that's good. That's what you want. So these are the types of Nigerian men according to me. According to me, not according to everyone else, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, thanks for always watching my videos, and I appreciate your support. Wait for my next video and I assure you, you will enjoy it. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button now. I'm waiting. If you're subscribed, thanks a lot. I appreciate your support. Okay, bye.
These Joneses, young boys, they don't register like they Nigerian voters. Rappers tell me they performing, they jump up